Hey guys, happy Bonfire night. Yes, tonight is Bonfire night. I went to it's called the Wreck, but it's basically like a big field. And we did some fireworks there, but they didn't go as planned because one of them went side, so it was up, then went sideways, then went all around us and we were all screaming and stuff. So my family just here is gonna do some, we've already done a fountain. But I was just quite scared after that one that happened. So I didn't really want to do any more. But now that I've seen, I want to do some more. And this is my outfit for Bonfire night. Yes. And this is my hairstyle. And yes, it is still wet. That's why it's so clumpy, because I had a shower. Anyways, Archie does not like fireworks. So he doesn't want to be in here, but he's going to have to, or else he'll be too sad on his own. And when we came back from the Wreck, he was upstairs. We've given him some, I don't know what they are, but they're to calm people down. But we use it on him. And it's actually working because he's my dad has a friend who's a vet. And he's actually very relaxed. He might be a little bit scared, but he's fine. So we're gonna go enjoy some fireworks. Sorry, my last video was I haven't been posting a lot, but let's go enjoy some fireworks. I don't know what that awkward silence was then, but okay. So I thought I might want to show you all our fireworks. We have, I'll just show you in the box. But the one that I told you about. Shush. Anyways.
You'd be better off doing that when there's no one around.
Yeah, I know, I better. Anyways, this was the one we did as a fountain. There's some others. So here they are. There's a big box one, but we're just going to do fountain because it is our backyard. And this one, I don't know, but these are all of them. Hey guys, so I'm in the garden already. It's so dark. Oh, you just got caught up with some wires. Well, not wires there, things. But there's somebody trying to open their window. Hi. You might not be able to see.
Will they see it? He burnt himself.
Dad, what's this one? Whoa! Can you see?
Is that it? You need to.
Okay, no. What's this one gonna be? Ah! That scared me. Oh. So this one is gonna be a siren. It's gonna be loud. Apparently, according to my dad.
Oh no.
Oh yeah!
It's falling over.
It's alright!
Here's another one. I don't know what this one is.
I love fireworks. Hey!
Okay, so this is a space loop. My mum's just there. Whoa, that was nice. This is another space loop.
Another space loop. Yay! Woohoo!
Shush,
Behind me.
shush,
Stand
shush,
behind
shush.
me. I think it's like a Roman candle kind of thing.
It's like 5. Yeah, it's rockets.
Roman candle. Yeah.
Oh my god, it went into my room. It went into my room.
It's a Roman candle. There you go.
That went into my room then.
Okay, so we're doing energy storm next.
Oh, that one went wrong.
No.
Yay! My camera won't focus. Woo! Okay, so you got to stick this one into the ground.
Oh my gosh, that was big.
So you're gonna do it. Woo!
Oh!
Aww, that was like our little. That was our little. I want to do another one of those.
They're here.
Oh, it smells, guys. You
I love
can't
the
see,
smell.
but it's so misty out here. So misty. I'm gonna try get it up from the sky now.
We'll go, it's gonna go now.
Woo!
Oh.
There we go.
Our rockets were brilliant.
Can we do another Nova Star? Oh,
Where'd
it's
you
so
get the foggy
it's
from?
so foggy, guys.
Smoky.
It's so. Oh, oh, she's barking. He's in the complay room. Oh. Imagine if it just went. Can we do a Nova Star?
No, we'll do the Nova Star last.
Yeah, we'll finish with the Nova Star. Is that the last one?
This is the Nova Star.
Is that the last one then?
Is this a Nova Star?
No,
No.
we got a Nova Star after this.
What's this one then? I see it's okay.
Yay! Woohoo!
We're finishing with a Nova Star.
Look,
What?
use this.
Don't do that one because
No,
Is
we've
it
got a
sparkler?
lighter.
It's a lighter.
ready?
Woo!
Whoa!
Oh, that was
Yay!
Now we're gonna
Like
clean
this?
all them up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you heard my dog barking, he was not a very happy dog in that room. But I didn't want to give him the scares, you know, like as a doggy mother, you don't want to give, like, say if it was a child, you don't want to give your child a scare, you know. We're gonna end it together. Can you come on my lap? Oh, not that way. Whoa! We are like a carousel or something. Should we say goodbye? Say goodbye. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. That was him saying goodbye. You can go now. Be a free dog. Yeah, so that was just in our garden. Our garden is very small. Stop panting. Okay, I'll let you out now. The radiator is on. Wait, I'll just see if they're doing any more. But did you enjoy that? He probably didn't, but I did. I overcome my fear now. I don't know if any of you have watched this, but I still do have a fear of sparklers. I am not a huge fireworks fan. I wouldn't do them for my birthday, for Christmas, but Bonfire night maybe. They were just little ones, little calm ones, so it was like, okay, I was still a little bit scared at one. I was like, I'll give my mum at one. Anyway, we're all okay. No one's dead. Ah. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I should probably end it now. I've just been sitting here with a panting dog who I'm going to let out in a second, but I just need to see if they're doing any fireworks. That's his name now. Who I'm going to let out in a few minutes if they're doing the fireworks. And we also, I'm going into full documentary now, but we also have a cat, so I was like calling her, but she never comes. Come here. Come on, me. She doesn't like me right now. Right, okay, I'm actually going to end it now, but we need to go on the sofa to do it. Hup. Come on. Come on. This is how hard it is to get your dog on the sofa. It might work this time, but trust me, it doesn't work always. Right, come on the sofa. On the sofa. Come here. Look. Good boy. Oh, let's get on the sofa and end the video. video.
Oh, Eleanor, I don't think he likes it.
Oh, shush, stop. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Woo!